Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Science Class 6. Today we are going to see the social science subject history. This is the first unit. The topic is what is history. In this lesson, we are going to learn what is history, the importance of history, the lifestyle of the prehistoric man, the prehistoric man's paintings, pottery, and the daily activities. The importance of history and historical researchers. Now, let us start the class. What is history? The history is the study of past events, particularly in human affairs. History is taken from the Greek word historia, which means finding out. As children, when we start to read history, automatically our mind goes to think about past and to find something old ones. Father of history is Herodotus. He is the first person to collect and systematically document events and create an accounts. Types of history: political history, social history, economic history, cultural history, intellectual history, diplomatic history. Telling the time in history. Time in history is calculated in year using BCE and CE, which stands for BCE is before Common Era and CE means Common Era. History of India: BC is before Christ, AD is after death. Ancient is 60,000 BC. Medieval is 600 AD to 1500 AD. Modern is 1600 AD to 650 AD. Contemporary. In this lesson, also they have given the two characters, Mother and Tamilini, to know more about history. Mother is giving more information about her forefathers' names and the things which they have used. Still they are using the pen and reading the diary of her grandfather. Tamilini mother speaks about lifestyle of people of old Stone Age from used stone tools. She explained that the ancient period the people lived in caves used to draw paintings in rocks called rock paintings. The mighty have wished to record their activities through these paintings. Tamilini asked about other sources to know the old lifestyle of Stone Age people. Mother says about their hunting style through their paintings on the rocks and the walls of their caves. Some people have stayed back without joining the hunting team. So, remaining people have been drawn the pictures. The period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of writing system is prehistory. Sources of history. Children, see the picture carefully. There are two types of sources: archaeological sources and literary sources. Archaeological sources is coins, inscription, monuments, artifacts. These all are archaeological sources. Literary sources is secular literature and religious literature. At last, mother explained everything to Tamilini. She thanked her mother for teaching her about history. Dear children, I too hope you all understood very well about the history. Just go through the reading lesson. Children's, learn and write, choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, true or false, and match the following. Thank you children. Have a nice day.